Hi friends, for your math journal today, you're going to do this page. So it says subtraction to 10, and then we're going to see the fish. And you have two pages that look kind of similar. So look at this first subtraction sentence on this one. It says 6 minus 3 equals. So once you find the correct page, we're going to remember the first thing I do is always the same. Look at the top and write my name. So I'm going to put my name at the top. Okay, so remember for addition, we were joining two groups together. For subtraction, we're taking away. So we're going to look 6 minus 3 equals. So I start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fish, and I'm going to take away 3. Remember, Mr. Minus likes to take away. So we're going to cross off 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's count how many we have left. 1, 2, 3. So 6 minus 3 equals 3. I'm going to go around the tree, around the tree. That's how you make the number 3. So again, friends, remember, we're switching our brain. Now we're working on taking away. All right, so you're going to look at the number you're starting with minus the number you're taking away, and we're working on crossing out. Please bring this with you for the end of the day. Mrs. Newlands and I will see you soon.